Hello everyone, this is Jura from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a Jura Z6 espresso machine with a shop, and pretty much it had came in because it was very dirty. It was quite a lot of coffee buildup, also mold buildup in the machine. We cleaned all of that out completely. Also, deep cleaning the spouts on the machine, running multiple cleaning cycles with coffee detergent, official coffee detergent. And yeah, so now we're going to test the machine. We're going to just make espresso and use hot water because we don't have the hose to connect for milk. But we're going to do espresso. We're going to hear it grind a little bit. And what we're looking for is to make sure those spouts pour the coffee out, because we were having difficulty in the beginning with all that cloggage getting coffee out of the spouts. Sometimes it would come out through one side only, sometimes it wouldn't come out at all. As you can see, working very well. And this is just our test coffee that we use for testing all our machines. Very beautiful shot there. That is a beautiful shot. Alrighty, now we're just going to test the hot water after we fill the water tank. And now we're just going to test the hot water after we filled it. We're going to hit that button. We're going to wait for it to start being hot. As you can see, working well. And that's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of our other videos on the channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.